I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you.
Hey y'all, today I'm starting this vlog in the kitchen, as you guys can see, because of one of my goals for this coming month is that I want to start eating 3 times a day. So I'm preparing myself to do that. I want to start eating 3 meals a day. Knowing myself, guys, now I don't eat. This girl doesn't eat. It's either I eat 2 times a day or once a day, or I don't eat at all. It depends on what I ate the previous day. Like I need. So I'm challenging myself on that, on eating 3 times a day to see am I going to die or I'm just challenging myself on that. Then yeah, later on I want to go to, okay guys, wait, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I am Murimoto, the baby girl, the queen, for those who don't know me. Yeah, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, guys, please do the most for the girl. So in today's video I'm doing a getting ready for the next month, getting ready for October. I'm preparing myself for October. So today I'm going to Central Mall to have some few errands to buy, few stuff that we don't have like Jijo and whatsoever for the next month. Okay, month ya Tomano in 3 days time for the next month. Then I have to go do my hair, guys. My hair is a mess. Do you see that? My hair is a mess. So I have to get October kid. Go November. What? What? Go November. Huh? November, nice, girl, you get what I mean? And I still have to go do my nails. I don't know if you guys can see. Like there's a lot happening on this nails. So yeah guys, let's get into this video. Let me make food. Wait, you see that? Okay guys, this is my food. This is what I'm going to eat right now. I literally tried my best, because this one, I wanted to have avocado on my food, but unfortunately avocado did me dirty. Yeah, this is what I'm going to eat. Let's dig in. How to keep the healing. Okay guys, I just finished writing my journal. For October I wrote some of the things, some of my favorite moments for October, and challenges, and some other things in between. And also I wrote what I'm grateful for this month. There's a lot of things to be diracting, and I'm grateful for whatever I diracting. Like, I'm so grateful. And for November I just wrote my goals and what I want to achieve for the month. There's a lot I can achieve, guys. Like, I can't tell you what hey, welcome at December, you get what I mean? So yeah, let me tell you all one of the challenges that I faced for October. So guys, for this month, one of the challenges that I faced, is it a challenge? I'm not sure, but I trusted people so much, too much, to a point that bang backfire. That was the challenging thing. I don't know, is it a challenge? Yeah, I think it's a challenge, but that was the most thing I face it in this month. But next month I hope everything it will sharp. I've learned a lot this month, this whole October. I've learned a lot, sure, I don't wanna lie. So now I have to focus for November, share everything in October and continue with my life for November. I hope everything I get out. So yeah, this is it guys. Let me go. Now I just wanna clean, bath, then so I can go to run some errands, then do my hair. So guys, I've been buying things. I just buy so now I have to tidy everything here. Or drop, like do something here. So let's do the most.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they...
Guys, I am done bathing. I look cute, I look simple. I'll show you all my outfit. So guys, when I was about to leave, I got a call from Chicolot Honely delivered here. So I had to open this package. Everything in a camera if it's in. So but this is a different vlog. I'm sure you all saw the vlog by now. If also you want it, please check it out. This I'm talking about this vlog. What's really happening on this? We have more packaging, getting what's popping, what's happening. Get what I mean? So yeah, guys, now let me buy. I'll see you all here if you go Century Mall. I don't know whether to start go Century Mall or to go do my hair first. So I will see. Okay, let me go do my hair first. Then go run those errands that I was talking about earlier. So yeah, let's do the most. Bye guys, see you guys later. Gimana? Ito na ka. Kita barak. Yo, okay. Yeah, I'm marang Zaya, go right.
Nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. You think if they said it, then they must mean it. So you should feel it, somehow you think that you need it. Others' opinions, to know how you're feeling, to know if you're losing or winning, left behind or within it.
Hey guys, welcome back to another clip guys. I just got back from doing my hair. Can you guys see the vibes? Can you guys see the vibes? Like okay, slow motion. Let me do it. I look cute, and I know, please let's come board check out all the same hairstyle, same color, same vibes, like, but guys, as the same more thin lines, like thin lines, they don't look the same tonality and hairstyle negative really previously. Ella like neighbor one line, this one nearly few, so this time get thin lines, get the vibes. And anyway guys, I bought the new shoes. Hey guys, I am about to bath, but before I bath, guys, I wanna do a face mask. Then you can do it for like 10 minutes, rinse, then bath. I don't know why am I starting with the face mask, but I just wanna do everything all in once. Face mask, then you can shower. I remove everything I bath. So guys, I'm going to what's that? I'm going to bath. I'm going to use like bath tap. And I don't know when last did I use bath tap, to be honest with you. Like I feel like the what's that? Bath taps, it's for winter, not summer, cause summer khafisa o ka mahara metsi, like there's a lot happening. O tlo fainta mos o ka mahara metsi. Aso fainta lena. Yo like oh guys, I was supposed to rinse my face first. What? What am I trying to do, guys? Let me rinse my face first before putting this thing on my face.
Get us women, existing or living, nothing that they could do, nothing that they could.
After doing my face, I'm going to cook, then bath. Then after bathing, I am gonna go.
They could say nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want.
With my skin looking cute and whatever, guys, I am done. I am done for the day. This is the last clip of this video. I hope all guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe till we meet again. Bye. Yeah. Oh, you want to show? You also want to show your face? Okay, guys. Bye. See you all on the next video.